Find or read reviews that people are talking about NAFEWIN electric pressure cooker, 6.34 QT, 9-in-1 pressure multi-cooker, stainless steel, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker. Warmer and sterilizer, recipes, 1000 watts. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Faster cooking. Prepare quicker meals with up to 70% faster cooking, vs. slow cooking, 40% faster one-touch meals, vs. traditional cooking methods, and 25% faster artisan bread and cakes, vs. traditional ovens. Healthy non-stick inner pot. Easy to use and clean. Cooks for up to 4 to 6 people. All components in contact with food are BPA-free materials. Easy to use and read panel. LED display makes it easy to read from a distance. The control panel design includes a DIY manual setting, a dedicated start/cancel button, a menu button to choose 12 preset programs, and a keep warm function. 12-in-1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer. Gourmet cooking. Start exploring with an electric pressure cooker. This premium pressure cooker combines boiling, braising, sautéing, stir-frying, roasting and steaming in one unit to meet a wide range of cooking needs, allowing you to tackle a variety of dishes with ease. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.